Hello students, today we'll do exercise 1.2 from the chapter Relations and Functions. Question number 3. Prove that the greatest integer function f from R to R is neither one-to-one nor onto. Let us recall the definition for the greatest integer function. It takes a real number r as input and outputs the nearest integer which is equal or less than that number. We will see an example. Let x is equal to 2.5. 2.5 is a real number. So the greatest integer of the 2.5 is 2. That is, it should give the output as the nearest integer. So 2.5 lies between two integers, which are they 2 and 3. The integer which is less than 2.5 is 2. So greatest integer function of 2.5 is 2. Similarly, the greatest integer function of 3.2 is 3. And for example, 4. If it is 4, is equal to 4 itself. So whenever we see the greatest integer, we always see the integer which is left of that real number. So 2.5 lies between 2 and 3. Left of 2.5 is 2. So the greatest integer of 1 is 1. 1.1 is also 1. 1.2, 1.3, all these will go to the integer 1. The greatest integer of 2 is 2. 2.1, 2.3, 2.009, everything will go to 2. 2.999, everything will go to 2. So different elements have the same images. So the function is not one-to-one. If it is one-to-one, different elements should have different images. So this function is not one-to-one. Is it onto? No. Because the codomain is the set of real numbers and the range is only integers. So the codomain is not equal to the range. Therefore the function is not onto. We will prove the function is not one-to-one. So take x1, x2 belongs to R and f of x is greatest integer of x. So f of x1 will be integer function x1 and f of x2 is x2. x1 is not equal to x2. Example, let us take x1 as 1.8 and x2 as 1.9. What is the greatest integer of 1.8? It is 1. And what is the greatest integer of 1.9? It is 1. The integer that is less than 1.9, that is 1. So 1.8 is the greatest integer of 1.8 is equal to the greatest integer of 1.9, but 1.8 is not equal to 1.9. That is, x1 is not equal to x2. Therefore, the function is not one-to-one and therefore it is not injective. Now we will check whether it is onto. So it is very clear the range is not equal to the codomain. Range is only the integers. So range is integers. Non-integers do not have a pre-image. That means if you take y belongs to R in the codomain, there is no x in R such that the greatest integer of x is a non-integer. We will never get a non-integer as an answer. Therefore, the range is not equal to the codomain. The function is not an onto function. Therefore, the function is not surjective. It is neither one-to-one nor onto. Next, we'll go to the question number 4. F of x is a modulus function. We have to prove that the function is neither one-to-one nor onto. So, modulus of x, suppose we want to find modulus of 1, it is 1. Modulus of minus 1 is also 1. Modulus of minus 2, 2. Modulus of plus 2, 2. So different elements have the same image. So therefore it is not a one-to-one function. Different elements should have different images. Only then it is a one-to-one function. Now the codomain is a set of real numbers. The range is only positive numbers. Therefore the function is not onto also. Now we'll prove that the function is not one-to-one. Let x1, x2 belongs to R. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. That means modulus of x1 is equal to modulus of x2 and x1 is not equal to x. So we can prove it by an example. Take x1 is minus 2 and x2 is plus 2. Modulus of minus 2 is 2 and modulus of 2 is 2. So modulus of minus 2 is equal to modulus of plus 2, but minus 2 is not equal to plus 2. Therefore the function is not one-to-one and it is not an injective function. Now we'll check whether it is onto. Codomain is a set of real numbers and the range is non-negative real numbers. So codomain is not equal to the range. Therefore, this is not an onto function also. So you can see in this arrow diagram, the codomain is a set of real numbers and the range is only positive numbers. So negative numbers do not have pre-images. The negative numbers in the codomain do not have pre-images. Therefore, the function is not an onto function. The function is neither one-to-one nor onto. Now we'll move on to the next question. Question number 5. Show that the function f of x is equal to signum function 1 x greater than 0 equal to 0 x is equal to 0 minus 1 when x is less than 0 is neither one-to-one nor onto. It is signum function is defined as modulus of x by x when x is not equal to 0 and equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. So you take some negative number or positive number, put x is equal to 5. Modulus of 5 by 5 is 1. So all the positive numbers will give the answer 1. If you put negative minus 1, modulus of minus 1 by minus 1 is minus 1. So all negative numbers will give the answer minus 1. You can see in this diagram, all the negative numbers will go to minus 1, all the positive will go to 1, 0 will go to 0. So it's very clear the different elements have the same image. So the function is not a one-to-one function. Now we'll prove it. x1, x2 belongs to R. f of x1 is equal to f of x2. But x1 is not equal to x2. Let us take an example. x1 is minus 1, x2 is minus 5. f of minus 1 is minus 1. f of minus 5 is also minus 1 because minus 1, minus 5 are negative numbers. All negative numbers will go to minus 1. But therefore f of minus 1 is equal to f of minus 5, but minus 1 is not equal to minus 5. So f of x1 is equal to f of x2, but x1 is not equal to x2. The function is therefore not one-to-one, not injective. Now onto. What codomain is set of real numbers, but what is the range? Only minus 1, 0, 1. You will not get any other answer. So the codomain is not equal to the range. Therefore, the function is not an onto function. The function is neither injective nor surjective. Thank you.